In this video, I will show you how to install a deeponion wallet. The first thing is to go to your web browser and typing deeponion.org, and from there you'll see the resources, and we'll use the download wallet first, making sure choosing the right wallet for your operating system. And currently I'm using Windows, so I will download for Windows version. And open the download. Extract it and run. And you can select the default folder for saving the wallet data. I will use the default directory in here, and I press OK. And then the wallet will download for the block data. So if you can see here, it's still calculating. We will see in a few seconds if the wallet is connected. Okay, so it seems it already connect and beginning to download the block data, but it takes a while since it's the data is from 2017. If you have time to sync it from the start, you can leave it maybe for days, 3 days, or maybe a week. But if you don't have the time, we could use the bootstrap. So the first thing is you close the wallet first. The bootstrap is like a checkpoint uh, for the deeponion wallet to make using faster. You can find it in blockchain quicksync. And, and here's the instruction for the installation. It's really simple. If you if you already download the data, just extract it and replace the old data, and we open from the start, and the progress will be faster. Okay, the first is we download the data first. I think it will take a little longer, like half hour.